Welcome back, Audi enthusiasts. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the door handle from your 2020 Audi Q5 in under 5 minutes. Well, if you're doing a repair or just curious, this guide will save you time and hassle. Now let's get to it. So you start by lifting the door handle up and a light tap back and your cover comes off, and that gives you access to everything behind. Now the light just slides out, it's pretty much held in by the door handle, and then you use a small screwdriver to lightly pry up the tab to allow the wiring out. It's quite tight and fiddly, but you don't want to break the tab or break the wiring. The sensor just comes out like that, and again release the wiring. Then once you've done that, 2 T20 Torx screws, one at the back, one at the front. And the handle part itself is then loose. There's a screw on the back. Which you need to take out. It stops itself, so you don't have to worry about it dropping out. And then once you've got that, you can then just gently pry the cap out. Once it starts moving, it'll wiggle out like that. And then once you've got that out, you can just unhook the wiring and the handle comes out. And then once you've got the back of the handle out, for us we're painting, so we need to remove the rubber gaskets, which just slide back and come off. And this one, there looks to be a cap, which I may need to remove. This is the first time we've done this job ourselves. It pops off the screw behind, which holds the handle. And there you go. That's how to remove your handle. If you're doing any paint work, which is why we're having to remove the handle, it allows you to prep the inside area and paint the door without the handle being in the way. If you mask the handle out, generally you'll get a dry line there, which you don't want when you're painting. It's always best to remove the handle. Some they're very difficult to remove with the wiring, but on these, as you can see, your wiring's on both sides, everything comes off. You want to make sure you don't lose the wiring into the door, so we're going to tape it up and leave it on the outside. And we'll also tape the holes up for the paint. If this video tutorial has helped you remove your door handle off your Audi Q5, please hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot and we really appreciate it. See you next time.